Addis Ababa, a city of hills, of valleys, of stories. A city where every street has felt the pulse of history, the movement of people, the heartbeat of a nation. But as the city grew, so too did its challenges. Congested roads, fragmented public spaces, neighborhoods cut off from opportunity. The lifeblood of the city threatened by the weight of its own growth. Today, the story changes. This is the story of how Addis Ababa, guided by intention, design, and courage, is reshaping its future. In moments of national decision, leaders do not speak in abstractions. They point to the ground. They point to roads. In a landmark briefing, Ethiopia's Prime Minister walked his cabinet through the corridors of the city, not to show what exists, but to reveal what must change. To understand where we are going, we must first remember where we have been. A capital standing at the crossroads of a continent, yet moving with the heavy, halting breath of a city out of time. Africa Avenue. Few roads carry as much symbolic weight. For decades, it served as the city's front door, connecting diplomacy, commerce, and tourism. But before transformation, it was fragmented. Weathered facades, mismatched buildings, vehicles dominating every inch of the street. People were left to navigate the margins, the sidewalks an afterthought, drainage struggling under the rainy season. The Prime Minister pointed to these limits, not to criticize, but to reveal a lack of balance, a corridor of continental significance, without the infrastructure of a modern capital. Today, Africa Avenue has been redeemed. The road is wider, organized, alive. The buildings, once mismatched, now form a harmonious rhythm. At night, integrated lighting turns the cityscape into a canvas of gold. Palm trees sway, fountains dance. Digital screens tell the story of a city awake, ambitious, and proud. Africa Avenue is no longer just a road. It is a destination, a stage where commerce, diplomacy, and daily life coexist. A symbol of what happens when design respects the past while embracing the future. From the VIP terminal of Bole International Airport to the bustling hub of Andegna, this road once bore the weight of a city in transition. Narrow lanes, concrete dividers that did little to guide traffic. No cycle paths, no parks, only shanty houses lining its edges, a quiet testament to urban challenges. But today, everything has changed. The road stretches wide, open, alive. Overpasses guide the flow of traffic with ease. Cyclists glide along dedicated lanes. Pedestrians stroll under the shade of elegant trees. Parks emerge like oases in the heart of the city. Coffee shops invite life and conversation. Public restrooms, electric vehicle charging stations, and lush greenery, all woven together into a vision once thought impossible. Where once there was chaos, now there is harmony. A street reborn, a city moving forward, and the journey does not end there. From Meganagna to the emerging Chacka Project, a bold vision of a satellite city, another challenge awaited.
እንደምታዩት ይሄ አንዱ መንገድ ነው። ልክ የቅድሙ ስታንዳርድ ነው። አካፋይ መንገድ አለው፣ ወክወይ ያለው ዳር
steep slopes, rugged terrain. Shanty houses once dotted the hillsides, later relocated to make way for progress. Yet through determination, the impossible became possible. Slopes carved, rocks moved, vision became reality. Five lanes in each direction now stretch across the horizon. Bicycle lanes run on both sides. A running track winds gracefully through the corridor, a gift to athletes training in this high-altitude haven, where every stride strengthens body and spirit. Here, at the edge of the city, where the land once resisted progress, a new pathway rises, a road that connects more than places, a road that inspires the people who walk, run, and cycle upon it, a symbol of determination, a testament to what can be achieved when vision meets courage. This is not just a road. It is the heartbeat of a transforming city, a living symbol of hope, resilience, and the limitless possibilities of human ambition.